everyone, and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I am happy to come on today and talk to you a little bit about BzyPeach. The BzyPeach is a place that hand dyes yarns, and I wanted to experience that. So I went ahead and I signed up for her Peachy Yarn Club. And this is what I got. Look at all these beautiful peaches. I was like, oh, I'm so excited. So I already opened it, so it would be easy for me to get to. And look at this baby here. Look at that. Isn't that nice? So I get really close. Come on, camera, pick it up. Oh, look at that yarn. And it's so soft. Oh my goodness. Very, very soft to the touch. This is 100% Pima cotton. This is lovely. Now, this is a DK weight, and it's 218 yards, 100 grams. Colorway is called Peach Wine. Oh my God. PYC exclusive. So hand wash cold, lay flat to dry. So if you would like to sign up for the Peachy Yarn Club, I will make sure that I put a link in the description box and also a link for her website. She also sent a surprise. And I was like, oh my goodness. And so this is January. This is the January bonus. And it has a peach flavored honey straw. I was like, oh my God, really? This is so exciting. And I've never had one of these. So I cannot wait to try this. So I was very excited to get this. I cannot wait to add this to one of my beverages. I'll probably put this in my tea. And she also included some stitch markers. Like, I'm excited. And these are part of the wine theme. Can you all see those? Make sure that the camera can pick it up. Look at that. Oh, these are very, very nice. Laverne, you did an outstanding job. I am so happy that I signed up for the Peachy Yarn Club. So I see grapes and I see a wine glass. Look at that. Let's see if you could get it. Oh, this is very nice. This is so exciting. And then a wine bottle with two little glasses next to it. Oh my goodness. I love this. This is really neat. So I will definitely add these to my collection. She also put her business card in there. BzyPeach, Laverne Benton. And her website is www.bzypeach.com. And it shows all of her social media at the bottom. As you can see, she is on Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and what's the other one? There's another one in there. There's another one. But make sure you go to her website and check her out. Make sure you follow her on Instagram too. Thank you everybody for tuning in. Thank you Laverne for this fabulous skein of yarn. I love it. I love it. I love it. This DK weight, nice and stretchy peach wine color. I cannot wait to figure out what I'm going to make with it. So definitely has to be something special. One tip and one thing I wanted to let you know is you only get this one skein, but if you need more skeins to finish a project, you can definitely get online and purchase some more. Doesn't cost anything to look at her website, so go and take a look. Thank you and have a glorious day. Bye for now.